Welcome back to Pursuit of Accuracy. I'm Josh. Today we're going to be doing test 2 of our rimfire shootout. We're going to be shooting some center X, so same format as before. Paper's out at 50 yards. It's a clean barrel, and we'll shoot 10 fowlers out of this, and then we'll go straight into shooting groups. We're going to shoot five-shot groups. We'll average them up, see how they stack up. We'll create a leaderboard. Next up after center X is going to be Ely 10X. So same conditions as yesterday. See behind me, the leaves and stuff, kind of breezy today, so it's going to be like that all week. So I figured, you know, why not? They're all shooting in the same conditions. But anyway, target's already out. Let's get to it. Alright guys, center X. Gonna do the 10 sider / fowlers, then we'll move on to the groups. All right, first 5-shot group. Not too bad. Go for the second. Go for the third. Wind got us a little bit on that one. Last two. All right, we'll go pull the target and talk about it a little bit. All right, guys, the results are in, and they're not super impressive. Same deal as last time. We shot some ciders and just some barrel seasoners. First group, 0.67. Wind really killed us there. 0.68, again, a little bit more wind. 0.57, not a bad group, but again, I think it's all left to right. 0.64 and 0.42. So I think this ammo may have done better if it was shot yesterday. It was a little bit less windy. It's actually been like kind of on and off, and I think you guys know by now, I don't cut any of this. I don't reshoot it. I don't wait for the wind. It's real world conditions. These are what you have to shoot these guns in. You know, I can find an indoor range where I could sit out here for 2.5 hours trying to produce the absolute best results, you know, based on the conditions, waiting for the wind to die, shoot, but it's not realistic. I mean, I think most of you guys, you know, are looking for real world results. You know, I can show you 0.2, 0.3 inch groups with this at 50. I can show you half-inch groups at 100, but those are one-offs. You know, it's when the wind's perfect and everything, and it's just not reality. It's not what you're going to shoot in. When you look at those groups, I mean, you're going to see that a lot of that is windage. It's pretty quality ammo, so it's 11 bucks a box. It's, you know, more expensive than the Ely Club we shot yesterday, and it actually groups at a 0.57 average group size, which is worse than the club did. But I think if you're looking at the groups, you're going to shoot long distance further than 50 yards, which most of us will. You're going to notice there's a whole lot less vertical stringing. So the groups yesterday, that was the club. You know, the club's problems yesterday was that the vertical stringing, which is, you can probably hear it in the camera too. You know, you can kind of hear one shot's a little louder than the other, and you'll see it on the target. You know, it's hitting, you know, it's grouping somewhere and it hits really high or really low. And at distance, those are killers. The Center X did a lot better job of being a lot more consistent. So you'll see the vertical hits on paper are all really tight, and then it's just mostly windage, but it is what it is. Tomorrow we're going to shoot the 10X. I really expect a lot out of the 10X for the cost. You know, nearly double the cost of Center X. It's always shot really well in these rifles, and maybe if you know, if you guys are liking this series, we'll finish it out with the MTR barrel. We'll put the Lilja on there and rerun the whole series again on the Lilja and see what we get, or another rifle. So as always, guys, I appreciate you guys checking out the video and the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do that. It helps me out a lot. And throw the video a like. That also helps a lot. And we'll see you for part 3.